Welcome to 36th session of Management Accounting, 5th semester BBA of Bangalore University. In this session, let us discuss differences between cash flow statement and fund flow statement. Recap of previous session. In the previous session, we discussed meaning and definition of cash flow statement. Now let us discuss differences between cash flow statement and fund flow statement. The fund flow statement shows the causes of changes in the net working capital, whereas cash flow statement shows the causes for the changes in cash. Cash flow statement is started with the opening and closing balances of cash, while there are no opening or closing balances in fund flow statement. Cash flow statement deals with only cash, whereas fund flow statement deals with all components of working capital. Cash flow statement is useful for short-term financing, where fund flow statement is useful for long-term financing. Cash flow statement is based on cash basis of accounting, while fund flow statement is based on accrual basis of accounting. Cash flow statement depicts only the changes in cash position, while funds flow statement is concerned with the changes in working capital between two balance sheet dates. Cash is a part of working capital. Improvement in cash position as indicated by cash flow statement can be taken as an indicator of improved working capital position. But the reverse is not true. That is, sound fund position may not necessarily mean sound cash position. Thank you. Have a nice day.